Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to see Twitter comments. So I will show you how to do this on your laptop computer. But first of all, I will show you how to do on the Twitter app with your phone. So what you are going to want to do is find the tweet you want to see the comments for, and then we are gonna want to do is click on it. But make sure you don't click on the picture or video of the tweet. You are gonna want to click on like there at the side of it, so we see like the little blue on the outside or white depending you have got dark mode or not. Don't want you are on that, you are gonna want to scroll down, then you will see all the comments here. You can also click show more or replies other, but so there I will show you more as well. So that's how you do on your Android or iOS devices like the iPhone. But now you are on laptop computer, it's the same type of thing. So you want to click on the side of the tweet as you can see there, then that will bring up the comments that you can scroll down and see all the replies and comments. So this was the process by which you can see Twitter comments. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a good day.